Will Katrina Kaif's cushion foundation beat the viral Glitter cushion foundation? I'm talking about Hydra Cloud Cushion Foundation, this dreamy little compact which promises full matte coverage which is featherlight. This is a new launch by the brand K Beauty. Hello and welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing good. I am Disha and today I am reviewing this which Miss Katrina formulated in Korea with Korean experts. Comes in an outer box that looks like this and the foundation itself looks like this. This is a classic K Beauty design. It has a K monogram all over it. It is rose gold in color and has a metallic finish. The packaging is so chic and travel friendly. It's sleek and it looks high end. Like in my hand, the material doesn't feel cheap. On the contrary, it looks and feels luxurious. So once we open this, there's a soft puff applicator. This is not completely round. It is half round and it has a pointed top to get inside all the nooks and crannies of the face, like corners of the nose, under eye. So that's really nice. There's the mirror and it says it's K to be you. You get this flap which you open like this and the seal. So let's remove it together. So inside there's the cushion which is soaked with the foundation. One press gives you enough product, no mess and no wastage. There's one thing, though the material quality is really nice, but the joint of this flap seems a little flimsy, so we just need to be careful about that. Otherwise, it's really nice. This foundation claims to be super lightweight, like wearing a cloud on your skin with unreal coverage and a natural glow. It's supposed to hydrate, hide imperfections, and stay put all day long without being cakey. Sounds like a dream, right? So let's start with the application part. Let's try this out. For application, we just have to dab and tap, 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 tap. Okay. So this is how I prefer to hold it. Okay. Oh my god, just one tap in the cushion and half of my face is covered, and now I just need to blend it out. Okay. As I was blending this, I realized that I should have applied the product on the entire face, not just the half side, because boy, there was so much product on the puff with just one tap on the cushion foundation. But since it was my first time, I learned my lesson. By the way, the shade which I ordered for myself is 120Y Light. This foundation has got SPF 40, which makes it a perfect daytime foundation, and it has PA++, which gives additional sun protection. But since it's only two pluses, don't skip your sunscreen. Also, it has got the most hydrating skincare ingredients: hyaluronic acid and squalene. It is makeup that cares. It is makeup with skincare benefits. Not only it gives full coverage and feels lightweight, it gives sun protection. The hyaluronic acid provides hydration and retains moisture, and squalene protects skin barriers and also locks moisture. So this is how it looks. One dab in the cushion foundation gave me enough product to cover my entire face. Like I didn't have to go for the second time. And the second thing is I was quite worried that I've ordered a lighter shade for me, but I think the shade match is really nice. This is just one layer of the foundation. One thing that I felt while application was that we are used to using makeup sponges, beauty blenders, and makeup brushes for foundation application. So this soft tip applicator that comes in the product, I am not habitual of using that to apply my foundation. So it was a little challenging, I can say. But the product is really travel friendly. Like if you have to take it somewhere with you, you don't have to carry a separate applicator. The applicator is inside the uh, product's packaging. Let me complete my face makeup and I'll be right back. It is currently 11:12, and let's see how this foundation wears throughout the day. So guys, it is 6:52 currently, and I have been wearing this makeup for quite few hours, like around 6-7 hours. So this is how it is looking right now. I think this Cloud Cushion foundation is amazing, like 10 out of 10. Let's talk about the pros of the product. It has SPF factor, so that makes it a perfect daytime foundation. It is mess free. What we generally do is take foundation on the back of our hand. So in this we don't have to do that, which makes it ideal for traveling as well. It is lightweight and the coverage is amazing. It has skincare benefits as well. So it's very hydrating on the skin, doesn't feel dry and doesn't get cakey. If I talk about the cons of the product, application with the applicator that comes with the foundation might feel a bit challenging to some. So for that we can use our brush or beauty blender. There are currently only 12 shades of this foundation. So what I feel is maybe the shade range is limited and it could be expanded. So the next con could be the pricing of the product. It retails for 15.99 for 14 gram of product. So some might feel like it's not very affordable, but affordability is very subjective. What I feel is the price point of K Beauty products is mid-range. What I mean by that is like it's not like super affordable, or it doesn't fall under the 500 category, or it's like expensive. But I feel that the price is justified by the product quality, their performance, and the result that they give, as is the case with this Hydra Cloud Cushion foundation. So if you want something quick and fuss free and perfect for everyday makeup, this Cloud Cushion foundation is a winner in my books. It's like your skin, but like on a really good day. So would you try this Cloud Cushion foundation? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Application with the applicator that comes with the product. There are currently only 12 shades of this foundation.